Okay, we are in the car. It is time to go to the Brady Bunch house. All right, here we go. Okay, we're on our way. We're almost there. We're gonna go through this and then we turn on another street. And then I think it's off of the next street. Getting so close. There we go. Okay, here we go. Turning the corner. You see it? It is. That's it. That is it. We've arrived.
You have arrived.
We can, got the car. Yes, we can park like right here if you want. Oh my gosh, there it is, people. It is right there in front of us, and it's got the car. Ah! Here we are at the Brady house. I mean, this is crazy. All right, so here we go. We're going to approach the house now. All right, so. Hello, I'm home. In the Brady house. Woo! Come down the stairs. Into the family room. Oh my goodness. Can you believe this? Okay.
Walk all the way to the back.
Oh, walk all the way. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. The kitchen.
One continuous shot so everybody can see.
Kitchen. And the parlor. Yay.
Shot a lot of scenes in here too.
Oh, and look, it's the best of Gilbert and Sullivan. Come look at this. That was one of the things that he put on his record player. The very first thing was the best of Gilbert and Sullivan. And of course the Monkees is there.
Davy Jones is on there.
Davy Jones. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Tiger.
Let me see.
Season 1. And his doghouse out there.
Oh, they have their doghouse? Let me see. They do. Oh, and Fluffy too. Fluffy was only on for one season as well.
Back out to the kitchen.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. And those were the colors of their high school, Westdale High. Yes. That's the recipe. That's like the famous recipe that Alice had.
Would you say this place is groovy?
This place is very groovy. Very groovy. We can look in their fridge, she said.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a...
That's from one of the shows,
Yeah,
right?
let's go
One of the
in there.
episodes.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Oh, wait. Here. Oh, wait. There weren't a whole lot of times in here. Oh, those are her kids that she wore with her uniform. But there were a few. She wasn't supposed to walk. And so the kids kept coming in and asking her questions. Oh my gosh, there's Safe. Oh.
It's groovy.
It is. Oh, and there's her uniforms.
Do people remember what her last name was?
Alice Nelson.
Right there. And a lot of Alice pictures.
Sherwood Schwartz picture too. We have to look at the Safe laundry detergent. that whole episode of how they were going to be in a commercial about safe. Okay, we're going out to the backyard.
From the kitchen?
From the kitchen. You can see the Brady Dunk booth right there. And the garage with all of their bikes. And this is a nod to one of the episodes, was whoever could park without the egg falling off between Marcia and Greg won. Brady booth.
Brady booth.
Yay. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're going over here. The backyard.
Got the radio flyer there. Classic.
Outside in the backyard is where Marcia goes, oh, my nose! Right? Gets hit in the nose with a football. Tiger's doghouse. And Fluffy's cat house. Only from season 1. Oh, look. The teeter-totter. Cindy and Bobby.
Yeah.
When
Got
it
some
set the teeter-totter record.
nice soft astroturf to walk on back here.
Yes, it is vigorous.
This tree. Boy.
Huge.
And back to the house.
Oh, and at this table, that is where they made the volcano that erupted everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, moving back out into the dining room. Now, they said that because it was an add-on, there was no attic, but they recreated the attic down here in the basement. So we're gonna go down here. So this was Greg's attic. Oh, Raquel is down here. Raquel!
We're up in the attic.
We're up in the attic. This was Greg's pad, his bachelor pad, right? Okay. Apparently he had a sink up there.
What is the song? We Can Make the World.
We can make the world a whole lot brighter.
Yeah, they had better and then they marked it out and put brighter.
Oh my gosh, I gotta see that. So Greg, I guess, is writing the songs. Writing the songs. Oh, and there's his shirt from Westdale High. Oh, there's Greg. That's him. Oh, I think the tiki is supposed to be down here too. So we need to find his little tiki.
It's right there.
Oh, I missed it. Get it from the front here. Oh, yeah. Get a picture of his tiki.
And
Okay.
He signed it on the back. So if you go back to
Oh,
back
okay.
there.
Yeah, he signed it on the back right there. Good. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I can't believe we're in here. Okay, so we're going to go upstairs. And I think this is supposed to be where they made the parents' bedroom. Yes. is. So this is Mike and Carol Brady's bedroom. Oh, look, they put a picture of the wedding up there. There. Yeah. Letter. Dear Libby. From Carol Brady.
Oh, yeah. It's like Dear Abby.
Yeah.
That episode.
No, I'm not seeing the Egyptian earrings. Of course, one of them would have been broken in the laundry, but
there's a lot of Easter eggs. There's the real Jesse James book over there.
Oh, wow.
Jesse James episode.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Wait, here's the bathroom. There is no toilet in here, though, apparently. Unless it's behind one of those doors.
I don't think so.
Oh, look, the Noxzema cream. And the rollers.
Oh, yeah.
From the 70s. I don't know if they have
The
this.
All right.
You want color?
Okay, we're back in the family room, going into Mike's den. You can see right through there. That's it over there. Here we go. Wow. Father of the Year that he got from Marsha Brady. And he was an architect, so these are all his... Oh, that's the powder puff, where she kept saying, no, I wanted more fluffy, fluffy. And it kind of is supposed to look like a compact, because she was, you know, she owned a makeup company. Oh, look, there. It's the 3D version. And the blueprints of the house are up there. And of course, the fireplace. And it looks through.
Well, I guess these
They never had this, I don't think, ever opened. But those shutters were almost always pulled, I think.
Yeah.
So you really couldn't see into here. Because it was done on a set. And there actually wasn't probably nothing on the other side. Oh. This is at the bottom of the stairs. Oh, I can't believe I'm in here. We're going upstairs. We've been waiting for this for a long time. Can you believe it? Okay. Here we go. Oh, here's the view from above.
Yeah. All right, let's go into the girls' room.
Girls' room. Kitty Carol. Wow. Jan. Marsha.
Class president.
She was everything. Wow.
Miss Marsha Brady, president. Davy Jones, fan.
Oh, she was the
Dear
president.
Marsha, I want to thank you for your interest in my career. Without the help of people like you, my career would not be possible. With best wishes, I am your friend, always, Davy Jones.
Davy Jones. That was Cindy's doll, a kitty carryall. Oh my goodness, look at this. Those Marsha and Jan's beds. Jan had a little locket and she lost it, but she was able to find it. And who gave it to her? Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this.
And the bathroom's right there.
Yeah.
Let's go through there. Boys' room on the other side of that.
Crazy. Crazy. In the show, there was no toilet. But there is one now. Prowl. Oh, that's Jan's. She didn't want to be blonde anymore. She wanted to be different. So she put that and she was going to be the new Jan Brady with her dark hair. It actually looked pretty good on her, I thought. Prowl. Hair, just hairspray. Ivory soap.
Okay, walk into there. Just like the show.
Brooklyn 53.
Yeah, the Dodgers had fairly recently moved from Brooklyn to LA at that time.
The two younger boys had the bunk.
Clowns never laughed till I met you. Words and music by Brady.
Oh yeah.
Card over there. He was on the show.
He was, Don Drysdale.
Peter Brady, 11, risk life to save young girl.
He did. Boy hero. That was right. That thing came right out of the wall at the toy store, and he saved her. Oh my gosh.
And then out into the hallway.
Yep, hallway.
And there's the top of the steps.
Yep. In the show, the parents' room would have been up here too.
Yeah.
But, again, they couldn't fit it all up here.
They relocated it elsewhere.
Yes,
but
they relocated it elsewhere. All right, going back down the stairs. Going back down.
The vase right there signed by Christopher Knight,
Oh, because he broke it? Yeah. Oh my goodness.
We have this silver platters on the coffee table that's signed by Cindy.
I'm like a little kid right now. I cannot believe this.
oh, there's the.
Oh my gosh! It's the stamps that got the television, right? Well, all good things must come to an end, and so must our time in the Brady Bunch house. We actually spent over an hour in the house, so this video doesn't cover everything. If you have any questions or comments about the Brady house, put them in the comments. And please subscribe to my channel and be sure to follow me on Facebook. Thanks for watching.